blay phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi ka chairperson juga Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW kong yo monsim kala Pynshai ba ka commission kala shim ye ka rai lor ka jing ujor jong Nongialehkai Meghalaya under 23 women's cricket team kat kum ka jing tokit ka babnya bad ha ka jing mentoy jong gi kynthei ka commission kala yo priang ka jing ujor ka sautrik ujimang arajar arfriu bad hadin ka jing ye kran ba ka kinong ujor kala pelongi ke jing lang toket haka arfui trik ujemang hadin ke jing bishare baro ke saki bagi jubam ka commission kala labu head coach baru assistant manager kila penkanya ka POSH Act ka commission kala ai jingmut ban suspend yu head coach kat ba yu assistant manager kala ai jingmut ban wengno nakakam namar ba ka jing kno persha yu ka khamjur ka MSCW kala Pynshai ru ba ka jing pentrei kam ye kini ke jing ai jingmut kadi ka benta jong Meghalaya Cricket Association MCE haka arfriu turik ujimang ka commission kala khotru iki officer ka MCE ban Pynshai balai omsham le AA halor ka email jing ujor ka bla poi nadu no pra arhajar absan ka commission kala ong ba ka jing sngap jar hadu san banai kamla satya ban pediang ka kong yo mon sim kala ong ba ka commission kamsham la penrem iki officer nama ka jing le sniu jing ye pher jing dei pat ba rei nama ka jing bam shim kya ba ka jing bam pendap ye ka jing kirkli ka chairperson kala karpat ya baro ban ompen phai shikiwi pat kimat ndai ban ai ka jing yarap ka jing kershan ya kinong Nongialehkai kynthei ki bala not ban wan shakman ka MSCW kala ai por live hosni ka MCE ban pentrei kam ki jing ai jing mut jongka lada ombud ka commission kan sa shim ki sinjam ki beton kam namar kata ka commission kala ai jing mut ban pinbiang loka changing room ka ba ai jing ya shongsung ban pinbiang nutritionist na ka benda ka kot ka khya jong ki Nongialehkai kala kerpat ru ye ka BCCI ban pelat gloy ye ki pisa jingiram kanang ba ki Nongialehkai kin om shakta hagani ka jingya ka jia
use the commission to target this violence.
No, it's that because based on complaints, no. This is our recommendation to the current body. It's based on that complaint, but they're not part of that complaint. You understand? Okay,
Was there any pressure from James Sangma to act on particular people?
Look, we are a bunch of women. We are strong enough to handle anything. We don't get pressure. We just look. Let's get this straight, okay? We are only concerned about the fate of the cricketers. That's all. Any other battle, please, it's not ours. We are just doing the best that we can, and they're satisfied. We're satisfied. The repercussions and consequences, that is beyond.
I would also want to state here, okay, that you must look at the mandate of the commission. The commission works based on the Meghalaya State Commission for Women Act 2005. We have to look at the best interests of the young girls. Diverting this to anything else is very, very sad on our part and on the moral responsibility of each one of us to protect our women and our children. These girls, 15 of them, 6 have given their complaints. They have been violated sexually. Can we please not divert this to anything else, but kindly remember the responsibility that we have to protect our women and children. You are seeing every day POXO cases, rape cases, not just to women and children, but to even people of disabilities, to persons with disabilities. We've seen in the national news what has happened to women in sports. And how sad that it has happened in our own state, being a matrilineal state. And somehow I feel there's a diversion now where we are not concentrating, where we are not standing up for the rights, for the justice that these girls should be getting, the support that they should be getting from each one of us, irrespective of what our designations in this society is. We need to support these girls for coming out.
In fact, I just want to say this. This is actually as good a chance as any for all of you, the fraternity, to kind of focus on these issues. It's a good time as any to make people aware, because people listen and they hear and they read whatever you are saying. So your voice is so important to raise about the issues relating to women and violence. That is our focus. So, as Kong Joy said, we'll try not to divert in any other direction. But if you can use this as a time to focus and zero in on the issues that really matter to our society, we would really appreciate it. Help the commission also, and it'll help everybody else.
As per national law, everyone deserves.
Of course.
But if even me, personally, when I've gone through this case, I felt that this daughter of yours has protected the person body. That is my personal opinion. I felt you have protected the person body because they are also responsible.
It appears like that.
For their mission.
Yeah.
Because they are there from January, but still they have not taken cognizance. That's my only question.
Yeah, that's a good question. I'd like to say something.
If within 30 days and 60 days as per our orders, the current body does not act on the recommendations and directions of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women, then we can revisit that. Because let us please wait and watch to see what the commission will do if this present body does not follow our orders and our recommendations.
The present body.
We have given them 30 days as per our order. Yes. We have said that stricter action will be taken. So please give us that time before that question.
That doesn't matter now. It's a post action you are mentioning. The question of our colleague is why you did not take action about the present body, the president. That is the question. Now you are mentioning about the post scenario. He has to take 30 days action recommendation, but nothing is mentioned about him.
See, Jose, I can say only one thing before she says anything. See, everything is a process. We have taken cognizance of this. We have acted on this, on the complaint first, step by step. And that also within a very short time. You'll appreciate that. Within a period of, when is the first complaint was in May. And by 5th June, we had already given the orders. Right? So I think you would appreciate the fact that we worked as fast as we can, regarding this. This is not the only issue here. There are many other cases that are there, but we did call, and the process of calling, hearing is that, right? So immediately, we can't jump, we had to pass the order, and we passed the order, and here we are. That was a process from the moment that we got the complaint. You understand? In fact, we have done quite a, we've covered quite a bit within a month, right? Others would take a long time, but I think we are happy with what we are doing right now. And the outcome, of course, we will follow up, as you are aware. It's not that we jump from here to there. We have to address each issue as they come. And it was not something that, okay, let's have a hearing. I mean, let the girls come. We need to talk with them. Some of them needed counseling and talking. It's not an easy thing for a girl, to come out, for girls to come out and share about their experiences. It's not an easy thing. You would appreciate that. I know most of you are gentlemen, but I hope you would appreciate that, that a woman needs to feel in a safe place. And that was a process. We were more bothered about them than anybody else. And once we had given the orders, we will continue. It doesn't rest over here. Let's see what happens from here.